There is a man and a woman. They want a child. They have no children. They wait a long time. The woman says, "God, give me a child, please." Behind the house there is a window. From the window, they see a very pretty garden with many flowers. The garden has a high wall. It belongs to a witch. People are afraid of her. The woman sees a plant. It is called Rapunzel. It is green and pretty. The woman wants it very much. The woman is weak and sad. She does not eat. The man asks, "What is happening?" The woman says, "If I do not eat Rapunzel, I die." The man wants to help. He climbs the wall and enters the garden. He takes Rapunzel and goes back home quickly. The woman eats Rapunzel. She feels better. The next day, she wants more Rapunzel. The man goes back to the garden. The witch sees him and gets angry. She says, "You are a thief." The man says, "Sorry, my wife is sick." The witch listens and says, "You can take Rapunzel, but you give me the baby." The man is afraid, but he agrees. The baby is born. The witch arrives and takes the girl. She calls her Rapunzel. Rapunzel grows. She is very pretty. The witch puts Rapunzel in a tower. It has no door or stairs, only a window at the top. The witch shouts, "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair." Rapunzel has long hair. She lets it down through the window. The witch climbs up the hair. One day, a prince passes through the forest. He sees the tower and hears a song. It is Rapunzel. The prince wants to climb, but there is no door. One night, he shouts, "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair." Rapunzel lets down her hair. The prince climbs. Rapunzel is afraid. She has never seen a man. The prince is kind. She calms down. The prince says, "I like you very much." Rapunzel says, "Me too." One day, the witch gets angry. She cuts Rapunzel's hair. She takes her to the desert. The prince goes back to the tower. He finds the witch. She says, "Rapunzel is gone." The prince is very sad. He jumps from the tower. He does not die, but he cannot see. He walks many years and looks for Rapunzel. One day, he finds Rapunzel. Rapunzel cries. Her tears touch the prince's eyes. He can see. They go to the prince's kingdom. They have 2 children. They live happily.